Sophomores, your quarter 3 Naviance assignment is to complete the college profile scavenger hunt. So let's get started by logging into Clever using your laptop login and password. Taking you to your Clever portal, you'll find your Naviance icon, which will take you to your Naviance student homepage. From there, you will scroll to your important to-dos and tasks, and you're going to look for the task that says College Profile Scavenger Hunt, taking you to your Naviance student planner. Find that pink arrow, and you're going to click on Take This Survey, which will pop up your College Profile Scavenger Hunt survey. In order to complete this survey, you will have to select a college or university that you are interested in learning more about, maybe one that you would like to attend someday. So in order to do that, I'm going to right-click on colleges and open a new tab. So you can pick any college university that you would like to use for this assignment. So I'm interested in Kansas State University. So I'll search for that college and select it from the list. This will then give you an overview of Kansas State University. So in order to complete your scavenger hunt, you will need to click through these headings to find all the information. So the first one is an overview, giving you a snapshot of what Kansas State looks like. Studies will show average classroom size, the degrees that are offered. Student life is talking about what it looks like to be on campus and living on campus in the dorms. Admissions shows their acceptance rate, and then the cost breaks down their total cost of attendance. So these are the options to find your answers for your scavenger hunt. But if you learn that you would like to dig a little bit deeper, Kansas State University's website is at the very top. You can look at their virtual tours, and you can contact people directly at K-State for more information. So this is a great way to search and get an idea of what schools you may be interested in attending once you've graduated high school. After you have completed all 8 questions, make sure you hit Save and Finish. Once you've hit Save and Finish, you can go back to your homepage, and under Important To-Dos and Tasks, the task should be removed. If the task is still listed, make sure you go back and double check that you completed all the questions and that you hit Save and Finish. But once you have done that, you have completed your college profile scavenger hunt.